Hello, my name is Hardik Gajjar, and I've been working as a game analyst since last 5.5 years in VR Technologies. And then I started a course of manual testing and basic automation in STAD solution. And then I got placed in Kiwi QA Services Private Limited as an associate software test engineer, and I appreciate the teaching skills of Jaimin sir, that he teaching really good in manual testing, like with the real life examples as well. And thank you Stat Solutions as well for I got an opportunity to grow my career in QA. Thank you so much.